Cardiac Science introduces a new breed of AED that combines ease of use, reliability and advanced patient care to help experienced and first-time rescuers give a victim of sudden cardiac arrest the best chance of a favourable outcome. Sudden cardiac arrest can strike anyone without warning, but a victim may survive if treated with a defibrillator within minutes to restore the heart to its normal rhythm. That's why Cardiac Science designed the new PowerHeart G5 AED to enable almost anyone to act quickly and confidently to save a life. The PowerHeart G5 is the first AED that combines real-time CPR feedback, fast shock times and variable escalating energy. This rugged AED has an IP55 rating, medical-grade battery and customizable settings to match the skills and preferences of the user. The PowerHeart G5 is easy to see from a distance. The highly visible green indicator confirms that the AED has passed rigorous daily, weekly and monthly self-tests and is ready to perform a rescue. Operation is intuitive from the start, with immediate voice and text prompts.
Stay calm. Follow these instructions.
Set the G5 to give extensive prompts for lay rescuers or fewer prompts for experienced users. You can even switch to an alternate language with the touch of a button. The pads go in either position, so there's no guesswork. The G5 analyzes the patient's heart rhythm and determines if a shock is needed. The fully automatic AED even delivers the shock with no human intervention and no delays. The CPR device guides you on the rate and depth of compressions according to the latest resuscitation guidelines or your preferred settings. The G5 determines if a second shock is needed and automatically escalates the energy. It is the first AED that can quickly deliver this higher energy shock, typically in 10 seconds or less. After the rescue, professional responders can easily transfer rescue data via USB. Cardiac Science backs the PowerHeart G5 with responsive local support and a 7-year warranty. Now here's a demonstration of the G5 in action. When you open the G5, you'll immediately hear,
Make sure emergency services are called now. Begin by exposing patient's bare chest. Remove white square package from lid of AED. Tear open white package across dotted line and remove pads. Peel one of the white pads completely from blue plastic. Firmly place the pad without the blue plastic on the patient. Next, peel second white pad from blue plastic. Firmly place the second pad on the other location exactly as shown on pads. Do not touch the patient. Analyzing heart rhythm, please wait. Shock advised. Do not touch the patient. Shock will be delivered in 3, 2, 1. Shock delivered. It is now safe to touch the patient. Give CPR as instructed. Remove green square package from lid of AED. Tear open green package and remove CPR device. Place CPR device on center of patient's chest between nipples. Place heel of one hand on CPR device. Place heel of other hand directly on top of first hand. Lean over patient with elbows straight. Start CPR. Press, 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 press. Press harder and fully release. Give breath. Give breath.
once the CPR cycle is complete, the G5 analyzes the heart rhythm and delivers additional therapy if necessary. With a combination of advanced features you won't find in other AEDs, the PowerHeart G5 can help professional and first-time rescuers make the difference between life and death.